Okay, guys, sorry I had a little technical difficulties during the last video, but when you have completed your fast food activity, the 4 charts, you will have to answer these 7 reflection questions. You can just flip your worksheet over to the back side and complete them on there. And you will be graded on this activity using this grading rubric. And these will both be posted in your lesson 3. So if you're looking for these or need to reference these, you can find them there. This is one of your assessments for your standard for this unit. Okay, so that is why this is posted on there. If you guys have any other questions about this worksheet, you can get started on it, or tomorrow in class, you will have time to work on this. I'll answer any questions that you have on it first, and then you will have work time for this.